Welcome back to Wealthy Business, your quick take on finance, tech, and global markets. Today, the rise of Cambricon, the Chinese AI chipmaker posting record profits. What this means for the US-China race over AI and semiconductors. Let's start with the numbers. Revenue jumped over 4,000% year-on-year to 2.88 billion yuan, about $403 million. Net profit hit a record 1.04 billion yuan, still small versus Nvidia's 44 billion in a single quarter. But the trajectory tells a bigger story. China is pushing to reduce dependence on American chips, and Cambricon is a key domestic player. Beijing nudges local firms toward homegrown solutions. Tech giants are mixing domestic chips with whatever Nvidia hardware they can still get. That creates an opening for Cambricon. Nvidia has long dominated AI GPUs and the CUDA software ecosystem, but US export controls restricted Nvidia sales to China, even limiting some H20 models. At one point, Nvidia resumed sales under a condition that involved up to 15% of China-related revenue going to US controls. That made many Chinese firms wary of heavy reliance on Nvidia. Investors noticed. Cambricon shares more than doubled this year. Market cap rose by over $40 billion to around $80 billion. That makes Cambricon one of China's most valuable semiconductor firms. But global dominance is still far off. Big hurdle? Software. Nvidia's CUDA creates deep developer loyalty. Cambricon is improving its stack and building next-gen chips. But switching developers is hard. Another limit: restricted access to advanced manufacturing equipment. Design is possible, mass-producing cutting-edge chips is still difficult. For Chinese investors, Cambricon is a national champion play. For global investors, it highlights the risk of over-reliance on Nvidia if export rules tighten. The AI chip war will be multiplayer, not just Nvidia versus everyone else. Cambricon isn't king yet, but it's a serious challenger backed by profits and policy. Final thought: rising profits, government backing, and an 80 billion valuation make Cambricon a symbol of China's AI ambition. Nvidia still holds the crown, but the gap is being contested. This has been Wealthy Business. If this was useful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.